Hello! Welcome to DIY is my happy place. I'm Amy and today I'm going to show you how you can make a waffle that's gluten-free, it's keto friendly, it's delicious, and it only takes 2 minutes. I'm whipping this up right before I go to work. So, let me show you how you do it. You're going to be amazed. When you see what the ingredients are, you're going to be thinking, how is that a waffle? But I'm telling you, trust me, it's going to be great. So, what we're going to start with, go ahead and preheat your waffle iron and then take a half of a cup of shredded cheese and 2 eggs. Those are your ingredients. I know it sounds crazy, but it really does work. You're just going to mix them up with a fork, and this takes 10 seconds, really. I mean, it is so easy. You just mix them up so that the egg and the cheese are combined, and voila. I know. The first time I heard of this, I thought there's no way this is going to, number one, work, number two, taste good. And yet, that's all there is to it. So you just get your preheated waffle iron, put a little bit of spray grease on it, and dump your cheese and egg mixture right in and cook it like you would any waffle. And you're just going to be amazed. By the time that is cooking, you can get your plate ready, your juice if you want juice, whatever you might need. And then when that waffle comes out, yum, there it is. Now, you can double it if you want a huge waffle, or even half it if you want half as much. Okay, it took less than 2 minutes to make this waffle. And the good thing is you can do everything that you would normally do with a waffle. I like to put some butter on, and some syrup, your favorite kind of syrup, and eat it like you would any other waffle. And I'm going to tell you how it tastes. You're going to be amazed. It does not taste like it's egg and cheese. It literally tastes like a regular waffle. You're going to be so happy when you try this. That's a money shot right there. The texture is just like a regular waffle. It's crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. It's so deceiving. It's bendable, but yet crispy. It's just fabulous. Spread the word for all your friends who are trying to eat keto or gluten-free, or simply just want to try something new that's fast and easy in the mornings. Another bonus about eating this for breakfast, you don't feel hungry in an hour like you can do when you have a regular ingredient made waffle.